You didn't know it was going to rain.
Escort, Papal, Jack and Mimo. Hi, Jack.
Hi.
Jack.
Look at Alan.
Pickles and ice cream.
Figure it out.
Pickles and ice cream. Pickles and ice cream. Pickles and ice cream.
Who's that?
Alright, I'm done. I was checking out.
And Big Al. With his ring. Well, you don't want to get in the ring. Oh, now it's different. You want to get in the ring. You hear that?